All right, here we've got a really good 31-foot Landsman. It's the 24/7 leveling system. It's in good shape. There's one non-factory weld up here on the tongue. Okay, they did a nice job of fixing it, but it's there. It's got the good tines on it. The disc on this rascal are about 18 inch, a little over, but they're good. They're not all chipped up. I think probably an 18 inch average is a safe number. It's got what I call the C-tine shanks, good shovels, walking handle wheels on the mains and the wings. It's got a 5-bar Krause spiked Harrow on it, light kit, very straight unit. Hard to find these finishers this good that are this size. But all in all, it's in good shape, besides that one little repair on the tongue, which is very common on this TL6200. Any of these Krause, seems like you'll see a little bit of that once in a while. I'm not real sure why, because they're a good solid tool otherwise.